So as part of table calculations, we have seen some calculations in fact, right? So now, so we have seen some calculations. So accordingly, we will see the remaining calculations. Okay. So now, what calculations we have seen? What calculations we have seen as part of table calculations?
We have seen percentile, percentage, and each month increase or decrease. That one.
Good, very good. So I'll go here, quick table calculation if you see. So we have seen difference, percent of total, percentile and running total. Yes or no? We saw running total before closing yesterday, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have seen running total also. So we didn't see rank, we didn't see moving average, right? We saw we didn't see percentile or we saw percentile. Percentile is with respect to maximum value. Percentile is with respect to maximum value. So for example, if some students got the marks, let's say 100 marks, and percentage is with respect to full marks, that is 100 marks. So out of 100 you got 95. So that means that your percentage is 95 percentage. But let's say you got 90 and the top mark is 95. So then your percentile is with respect to 95, not 100. So 90 out of 95, what does that mean? That means that 90 out of 95 is, right, your percentile is 95 percentile. Like that we will calculate percentile, and here the keyword rank underscore percentile is there. Okay, rank underscore percentile is there. That is the keyword. Next, we'll go with the moving calculations, moving average or moving sum, moving various things. Now, in the calculations window, when we saw here, we were seeing table calculations. So in table calculations, here there is nothing called as moving here. Only window is there. Moving is not there. Right? Here there is nothing called as window. Only moving is there. Moving and window both are same. Moving and window both are same. So what is moving or what is window? So most of the times you will get requirements like this. I want to see last 3 months sales. I want to see last quarter sales. I want to see last quarter in this quarter sales. I want to see last 3 quarters, so last 1 year, last 2 years, last 5 years, like that. So your requirement, right, will be like that. So last 3 months, last 3 quarters, last 1 quarter, last 1 month, last 6 months, last 1 year. So whatever this is a window. That is that 3 months is a window. That 3 months is a window. 3 quarters is a window. That is a window. That window will keep moving with respect to the date. So with respect to current date, it will be moving. Right? So if you are in April, last 3 months means what? March, Feb, Jan. If you go to May, last 3 months means what? April, March, Feb. Right? Like that it is. So like that, you keep changing, you keep moving. Right? So that is how it is. So that's how it is. So you keep changing or you keep moving. So that's how it is. So like that, right? Window or moving, both are same. It is same 3 months window only, but that 3 months will keep changing with respect to the date, current date, or right. Right. So that's how it is. So with respect to date, it will keep changing. So that's why it is moving. Okay. So that's why moving and window both are same. And the keyword is very simple. It is window underscore. So though we call that as moving, so window underscore is the keyword. It can be average, it can be sum, it can be count, it can be maximum, minimum, maximum. So whatever you want, you are just considering that 3 months. In that 3 months, what is the maximum value? In that 3 months, what is the average? In that 3 months, what is the sum? So like that it is, right? So you can see here clearly -2 to 0, right? -2 means previous values, 0 means current value. You can change it always, no problem. You'll go here, so you are seeing moving calculation here. So here average is there. I can change it as I told you, maybe sum or minimum or maximum, so whatever you want. And current value, all next value is 0 means current value only, right? So that's how it is. And it is table across as usual because this is a line chart. So this is the calculation. We have seen what is secondary calculation yesterday, right? Okay. So that is moving. So this is moving. Now you see, wherever you want, you can keep your cursor. What is the original value? 74,920. What is two previous values to it? 74,920. Here it is. What is the two previous values? One is 75 and other one is this one, 31. So one is 75 and other one is 31. Right? So that's how it is. So like that, you'll get the output. Okay? So that's how it is. And of course, if you see here also, right? So that's how it is. So current value plus two previous values. For first one, there are no two previous values, only current value is there. So that's why 14, same value. For second one previous value is there, 14 plus 4. For third one, two previous values, 55 plus 4 plus 14. Fourth one, 28 plus 55 plus 4. Right, like that it goes on. Okay, so that is moving sum. Moving sum. Okay. Okay. Any questions or doubts here? Because this calculation you need it. People most probably they will ask you last 3 months, last 6 months, last 1 year. That's pretty obvious requirement. Okay. So any right? So anything you want to see here, or you understood this or not? Okay. Hopefully you have understood. I'm going
No,
ahead.
okay. Can you please explain only that one more time?
Which one?
Like how do you fix that previous 2 months or sorry, the previous two sales? How do you fix that actually in that moving
So here previous is
scale?
there, right? Here you are seeing.
Okay.
Okay. You want to change
Yes,
it?
sir.
Tell me some number. I'll change it.
Maybe just one previous value.
Okay. No problem. I thought you will say 20 or 10 something. Okay.
Okay.
Only one previous value. Only one previous
No,
value.
so
Two
that
previous
it's
values.
easy to identify.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. However you wish. No objections. Okay. So one previous value. You can cross verify. You want me to keep my cursor anywhere on any value?
No, I'm just seeing like the first and second one, how far it is
Hmm.
changed.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
anybody
Thank you.
want any other changes here? You can do whatever you want. I'm not doing anything, right? System only doing it for you. So why
Okay,
are you
one more
hesitant?
thing, like
Tell me.
this previous value one you're doing, next values we don't want, so we give 0, but there also can we give numbers?
Yeah, I gave. You see, you gave. I gave already. I expected kind of. So that's why I gave it. So now you see, you cross verify.
But how does this calculation?
Yeah, for 14, one previous value. There is no previous value. What is the next value?
It's 4250.
4520.
4520.
You
Okay,
got the
so it's
output.
187. Okay.
For 4520, what
And
is the previous
C
value? 14. What is the
14237.
next value? What is the next value? Right?
55691. So it
You're
is
seeing it?
5478. Yeah, okay.
Hmm. Okay. You want to see something else apart from that minimum, maximum, anything like that?
Yeah, you can show me average.
Average, anyway, we are seeing it already.
Okay, this is the average which we are seeing.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
You want to see anything else?
No, that's fine, RK. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, good then. So understood, everybody? Done. Okay. If you all understood, I also understood. Here also, right, we can go for rank. So we can go for rank. So based on the value, it will say if it is the top value, it is 1. If it's the bottom value, it is 48, like this. What is the topmost value here? Here it is. So that will be 1. So 1 is here. What is the bottommost value? 48. So that's how it is. Rank can be ascending or descending. So it's not that always it should be ascending only or descending only. It can be ascending also. But this is simpler way, so not a big deal. So I'll show you some other scenario for rank, which is generally used in certification exam. So which is generally asked in certification exam. So what I'll do here, I'll go for a bar chart here. Simple chart is not important. So you understanding the scenario is important. How many of you have gone through all videos which I have taught until now? Okay. So all of you went through the videos. Good. Since all of you went through the videos and you all understood what is the basics, okay? So what I will do here, I'll go here straight away and click on rank. Where is the rank? Here, quick table calculation. Directly click on rank and show the values directly. You are getting the rank, no problem. Getting the rank, just go there, click on it, you got the rank. But what is the problem here? You generally don't see the rank like this, right? You don't see the rank like this. You see it how subcategory is here, right? 1 to 17, like this list of values kind of, right? That's how you see it, correct? That's how you see the rank. Good. So now you tell me, what should I do to display the rank in the form of subcategory? What is the basic difference between the subcategory and the sum of sales calculation rank? Rank, actually you should rename it. So you should rename this field as rank. But since I did it in the table, this one only, so that's why I'm not editing it. So, and I can't edit it also, right? So tell me. I showed you 2 days back in calculations. And I uploaded the videos also, all videos. So here you are seeing this one, table calculation. Here you are seeing subcategory. I want to display it like a subcategory. So what should I do? What is the basic difference between them? You need not answer it straight away, saying that some miracle will happen. No. You tell me first step. Try to link the points which I am asking and proceed. Go step by step. I'll guide you how to do it.
Can you repeat the question one more time?
I'm asking, here rank is displayed like this, right? But I
Yeah.
don't want to see the rank like this. I want it to see like a 1 to 17 list of values. Okay. So 1 to 17 list of values. That is how it is. Okay. So that's how I want to see. So now in this case, right? So I want to see 1 to 17 list of values. So in that case, right? So 1 second. What should I do to display it like list of values like this? It is showing as a bar here. I don't want bar. I want to display it like a list of values. What is the basic difference between subcategory field and this field? Hmm.
Like the measures and the dimension that you're asking? No.
Okay. Measure and dimension. Exactly speaking. Exactly. What are the keywords? Green color means
It's continuous,
blue color means
discrete.
so continuous, discrete. Now,
Yeah,
what should I do? What should I do to display it like this one?
discrete value.
So I have to change this to discrete, right?
Yeah.
Done. So this is how it is displayed. Now what should I do to display it properly? It is in columns. It is in columns like this, but
So
subcategory is in
toggle
rows.
it.
Subcategory is in rows. So just put it
Mm-hmm.
in rows.
Okay.
So this is how I want to show the rank, right?
Okay.
Now, so this is how I want to show the rank. Now, next thing here is I'll go to edit table calculation. There are 4 types of rank here. So obviously we will use unique only. So unique is anyway we will use it. So apart from unique, you have dense also. That is, if 2 students got the same marks or if 2 businesses or 2 products are making the same sales, they will be given the same rank. And modified competition is also there. They will be given the same rank, but the lower rank will be skipped. They will be given the upper rank, but the upper rank will be skipped. So like that it is. So like that we have 4 types of ranks here: unique, dense, modified competition, competition. So 4 types of ranks are there. Okay. So 4 types of ranks are there. So that's how it is. So 4 types of ranks are there. Okay. You can use whatever you want. And rank can be both ascending or descending. So however you want it. Okay. So generally we'll go for descending. It's up to you. Whatever you want, I will show it. No problem. Now here, so this is how it is. Now let's say, right, I have another dimension in the chart, something like category, right? Something like category. So you know what is this called as? It is called as pane, right? For example, now the rank is calculated on all subcategories. Which one is more, which one is less, such kind of things. Now I want within each category, I want to rank. So within each category, I want to rank. How can I do it? I want to
So we can do through the this detail level, like level of detailology
uh-huh,
that you are asking about.
yes, yes. So how we can do that is, right? So here it is. So here we have compute using. This is considering all the values and it is giving 1 to 17. But this one is a pane, right? So within each pane, I want to rank. So your requirement will come like this in certification exam also. I want second ranked subcategories in each subcategory. I'll repeat it. I want second ranked subcategories in each category. Or I want second ranked states in each region. I want second ranked states in each region. That is how it is. Okay. So this is the requirement. So how can we do that? I want second ranked states in each region. So that's when you talk about pane. So until now, the rank is applied at a table level. Now I want to do it at pane level. So for each pane, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Within each pane. Okay. So rank depends on where you place also. Rank will change where you place and how you want to calculate it. For example, I am keeping it here. So pane means with respect to category, I got the ranks. But if I move it after subcategory, pane means what? Each individual cell. So each cell compared to same cell, it will be 1 rank for everything. Right? So like that, it depends on where you place. Now you see 1 to 9 you are seeing. So it depends on where you place the rank and how you calculate it. Pane down, cell or table, so however you want. So that's how it is. What will I do now? I'll go here, right? I'll go here. So 1 to 9, you are seeing it here. Okay, so that is how it is now. So that's how we are seeing it now. What will I do here is, I'll go here, I'll keep it table only, okay, to show you another thing. Table down. Apart from this, we have another function called as index. Index is there. Index is a Tableau inbuilt function, nothing but row id kind of thing. Row id. Index is nothing but row id kind of. Row id. Row id means it is a identifier which will help you to get the storage value. So in the background, in hard disk or anywhere, the value will be stored. You want the unique id of that stored location. That is row id. It is there in every technology, everywhere. So data is there means obviously index, and here it is called as index, but nowhere it is called as index. So if you see in databases, it is called as row id only. Okay, so I'll click OK. Now if I double click on index, it is in green color. Again same problem will come, right? So it is showing it as a chat. I should change it. How? Go there, discrete, and keep it in this guy. Index, if you see now, index chairs it is 1, and for copiers it is 17. Rank will change how you want to calculate it, or where you calculate it, how you calculate it. That is either pane wise, table down, cell wise, how you calculate it. Based on that, rank will change, but index will not change. Index will not change. So you go here, it will be same thing. Same thing. 1 is what? Shades, right? 17 is what? Copiers. So you see here, right? Again, same thing. Because in the background, it is giving us how it is stored, where it is stored. Shades is stored as first value, and 17 value is copiers. So that is stored as last value. So that value will not change how it is stored, right? But rank is for display. So display will change, right? So like that it is. Okay, so like that, index and rank. Okay, good. So that's how it is. So rank and index, that is how it is. Clear? So that's how it is, rank and index. Okay, understood?
Yes.
mm. Mm. Okay, proceed. Okay, now, so now next thing is, so this time I will go with the text table. So I'll go with the text table just to show you some scenarios. Actually, right, we have covered almost all table calculations. What are there in table calculations? Only these many are there. So but we are seeing different scenarios here. Okay, anyway, so here I have this text table, and I will pull in another dimension just to show you something. So in this case especially, it will be table down like this. Okay, it will be table down like this, or it can be across also. It can be down and it can be across. Both things will be there here in such type of charts, because two dimensions are there, right? Either you can do table calculations like this, that is 2015 minus 14, 16 minus 15, 17 minus 16. So year on year increase in sales, year on year percentage change in sales. Or you can do appliances minus accessories, art minus appliances, binders. So both the ways you can do the calculation. So I'll go here, quick table calculation, and I can do difference or percent difference, whatever you want, no problem. So here this is how it is. See here, if you see, right, year over year growth is there. What is year over year growth? Did I tell you that or not? Did I tell you that or not? Think and tell me. Don't say straight away no. Okay, you can say no or yes, no problem. But you have every right to say that. But think and tell me. Did we see year over year growth or not? A calculation similar to year over year growth or not?
No, we didn't.
We didn't. What is year
No.
over year? Why it came here? Why it was not there earlier? Why? Because year is displayed here. 15 minus 14, 16 minus 15, 17 minus 16. Anybody who says that we have seen that already? Nobody? Okay. See, year over year growth or month on month increase in sales, right? Quarter on quarter percentage difference in sales. I want to see percentage difference or right, a percentage increase in profit or percentage decrease in profit. These are all same. These are all same. That's what I told you yesterday when I clicked on percentage difference, right? When you are doing calculation across, right? So when you are doing table across, right, which is here. So how you got that 62%? I'll duplicate this chart, okay, and show you the original numbers here. I'll remove table calculation here and show you the original numbers. 40,000 minus 25,000 divided by 25,000. What is the percentage it will be? More than 50% or not? Yes or no? Right.
Yes.
So that's what 62% here is. Correct. Next, 41,000 minus 40,000 by 40,000. How much it is? That is 1,000. 1,000 divided by not even 1,000. It is 41,800 something. This is 40,000. So 1,300 something. 1,300 divided by 40,000 something into 100. So 1,300 will become 13,000. So in fact, right. So divided by 40,000. So divided by 40,000 means it should be 4,3 something, right? So 4,3 is 12, maybe something, right? 30%, not even 30%. 3% something increase. So 40,000 to 41,000 means it is somewhere around 3% or 4% increase, right? So it's 3%, right? Yes or no, right? 59 minus 41. Similarly, you can do it. Okay, no problem. So 15 divided by 41, that is somewhere around 40 divided by 54, right? 15. 15 means how much it is? Again, four threes only. You can't go with the four fours. So you have to go with the somewhere around fours, near to 4, right? 3.9 or something, right? For 3.1, right? So you are seeing the percentage difference in sales. If it is negative, it is decrease in sales. If it is positive, it is increase in sales. So, but if you see there, it is percentage difference in sales, right? Now I'll go here, right? Quick table calculation. I'll click on year over growth only. Does the numbers change? I clicked on year over year growth. So you see there, I clicked on it. Does the numbers change? You're seeing it, right? I'll change it in front of you only. You see here, I'm changing it. Does the numbers change? No, both
No.
are same, right? Year over year or percentage difference, whatever it is, right? Concept is same, percentage, right? So that's how it is. Okay, got it? So that's how it is. So here one terminology is there. Now it is not there with these latest versions. Previous versions it was there. If you do the calculation, right? So when you do with two things, that is across then down or down then across here. So across then down or down then across. So across then down. Across means from left to right, and down means here. So it goes like that calculation. Across then down. Across then down. Across then down. Like that it goes on. So what does that mean is, so that means that, right, across then down, like that means, so what does that mean is, You call that as addressing and partitioning. Addressing means where you are starting the calculation, and partitioning means based on which you are proceeding with the calculation. The terminology is not there now, not needed. So in previous versions, before 9 version, there was something called as advanced calculations here. So whenever you click on it, right here, advanced was there. So now it is not there. So not needed also. Okay. But if you want to go for it, you can go for it. No problem. Okay. So that's how it is. Okay, so these are table calculations. So based on how much you are interested in table calculations, you can go to that much level. But remember, which is not needed for interview or real time is of no use, right? Per day I can spend right 12 hours, 13 hours, right, doing this, doing that, but is that helping me or not? That is the point. I've learned that lesson very lately after wasting a lot of time. So I am suggesting you also don't waste time unnecessarily, right? For example, I learned Informatica in my life. I learned data stage also. I learned Cognos also. I learned business objects also. I spent almost, at least for Informatica, I spent almost 6 months to learn it properly, advanced level. But I used it only in one project. By the time I became advanced level, project finish. Nobody gave me the project in Informatica again throughout my life. I'm working on Tableau, Domo, Hive, SQL queries, right? All these things I'm doing, right? So like that, learn which is useful for, right, for you. Okay, that is out of scope. Okay, so not part of your training. That's just an advice. It's about your interest. Okay, don't learn such kind of calculations. It doesn't make any sense. You don't apply it in real time or nor in here. You apply percentage difference, but you don't apply across then down. I'm not saying all calculations. You apply percentage difference, that you should do it, but you will not use across then down, down then across. Such kind of things you will not use. Okay, you will use moving calculations, windows calculations, ranks. Rank is there in certification exam also. So these things are needed, but is these things, right? So some unnecessary things are there. So like for example, percentile, of course, if you just know, it is very easy thing, right? So don't try to go for secondary level, third, tertiary level of calculations and do advanced things. That this, no, understand the basic concept. What is lookup? See, for example, your user will tell you, see, I want this January sales minus last year January sales. How you will do it? So I want to see every month, I want to see, I want to compare this month, this year, and last year, that month, and see whether there is increase in sales or decrease in sales. How you will do it? Anybody? You understood the requirement? So I want, see, I have 2000, what is this, 14 January, and somewhere here, here January 2015 is there. So I want to compare this January 2015, this January 2014, and see percentage increase is there or not. Very simple, right? Lookup of 12. So lookup of minus 12. That's all, right? It will go to previous year first month, right? So like that you can do the calculation, right? So if instead of doing minus 2, minus 3, you do a minus 12. So you got the table calculation, right? Got it? So like that it is, right? So people will ask you within each department, or for example here, within each category, I want to do average of sales. How you will do it? You will go for window calculation, right? So like that it is. Okay, that is the window. You define the window, right? So like that it is. Okay. So you say pane down, right? A pane down. So when you are applying window average, apply pane, window average for each pane. Okay, don't miss some basic concepts like that. Okay, so if you understand basics, that's enough. Okay, okay, good. Next, dashboard. So we'll go to dashboard. Dashboard is here. Okay, new dashboard. So you can click here or you can click here also and go for a new dashboard. So both are fine. Shall we start today or shall we start tomorrow? Dashboard. Anyway, we can't complete. First of all, we can't complete. Okay, so there is no point of completing. So right. So that will not work. So we can complete tomorrow only. Anyway, we need a full class for that. So what do we do? You have any questions or doubts? So some people told they are doing assignments. So if you're all doing assignments, you can ask some doubts now, which if you want. Hmm.
When I enter into the Tableau without opening a data, I cannot enter at all.
Without data.
Without a data source, I mean.
Without a data source, you mean? Mm-hmm.
I cannot enter.
You cannot enter. I've never tried that. Yeah, that's a very good thing actually. So yes, you cannot. So that means you can use a toggle icon. So you can use a toggle icon, but I don't think that toggle icon right will help you. 1 second. Hello. Yes. Thing.
No, I was stuck with the first exercise itself, which you were given me like
Tell me.
it is
I sent
actually the
assignments to
potential
everybody.
product.
Tell me.
Potential products based on sales amount, quantity, quantity sold and profit. So I was trying to just select the sales amount, quantity, and the profit.
No. Read that properly again, step by step.
Yeah, it is based on the potential product base. So it is based on the products which is being sold more or something like that.
No, read that slowly, step by step.
Okay, it's create a graph to identify potential products based on sales amount, quantity sold, and profit.
Okay. Yes, anybody want to give a try? Where is it? Create.
It's data source samples, the G1.
Tell me, anybody want to give a try? Guys, basics are basics. Yeah. Anybody want to give a try? She is talking about this one. We saw that.
I did that, but I was just so it will be showing actually the quantity sold and the profit based on the products. Is that the output for that?
No, it is simple thing. Tell me, anybody want to give a try? Still, I'm giving time. It is as simple as that. Let's say product ID or product name. So instead of product name, it is too much data. So we saw that it is a blended access plus dual access, right? In that one, I pulled in sales, profit, quantity, everything, right? Did I pull it or not? Is this not what they're asking for? Create a graph, graph to identify products. Potential products is just a keyword, just to confuse you. Potential products, okay, whatever it is, based on sales amount, sales, quantity, profit, done. Sales, profit, quantity, and product. You want a bar? Go there.
Yeah, that's what, because this is a text, right? So when I was looking into the bar, it was.
Did we create a bar chart or not? Did we create a bar chart or not? Using 3 measures.
We did actually.
That's called as which chart? That's called as which chart?
This is bar chart which you did now.
No. Which chart which chart that is called as, which we saw already?
You mean the first one which you showed us?
It is side by side bar chart, dual access, blended access, all those things I showed you. right? You can change the mark type here as bar, right? This you can do, right? I showed you subcategory, just replace that by product, that's all, right? Huh?
Okay.
That's all, right? If you want to synchronize, you can synchronize. Otherwise, don't synchronize, don't say, because values are too small. So don't synchronize. Done, right? Simple. But this look and feel is not good. So this is not the right way of representing this data, right? So maybe what
Yeah.
you can do, you can show quantity here and profit there, right? So try out different things. Why don't you go for maybe write a tree map or right? So or heat map or something like scatter plot, right? Which will be very useful in that case because two measures are there, right? So that one also you can do, right? So or text table or highlight table is not needed. Heat map we cannot do. So you can try it that one or side by side bar charts. Both things are there. Good.
Okay.
Mm.
No, I
So
was trying to do like this, but because there were too many data, I was thinking whether there is any other way to display that.
try out different things. Show it. No problem. Try tree map. Try some other chart. Right side by side bar chart instead of stacked bar. This is stacked bar. Go for a side by side bar chart. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good then. So I'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll see dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys. Practice, practice.
Thank you.
Okay. So bye then. I will try to cancel class if needed. Okay. If you are not practicing, I'll try to give one more weekend. Okay. To complete the training. So maybe in weekend you will start. Okay. I'll think about it. Okay. Based on tomorrow your answers. So I'll try to cancel it. Okay. One more class so that you can practice in the weekend. If you are okay, I'll take the class. And most probably we'll complete this week, but next week we'll see server class. Okay. After that. Okay. Okay then.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.